quality is not very good. Yeah? And in the front we also see the San Martin Cathedral. It's the biggest cathedral in Bratislava. And it was built in the 13th century, and before it was used for the coronation of the Hungarian kings also. But I will show you everything from the top, from the castle. Yeah?
Bratislava Castle.
It's the Vienna, Bratislava, and the Budapest also. Yeah, and there we can see the UFO bridge, and it was built in the 1972. And on the top we have a restaurant.
The map. This is the Bratislava Theater. Tapos, ito yung Christmas tree. At ito yung Christmas Village. McDonald's. Siyempre di mawala to. McDonald's. Ito na yung isa sa mga famous statue dito sa Bratislava. Yung Chumil. I-rub mo daw yung helmet niya para magkaroon ka ng good luck for next year. Siyempre gagawin natin yan. Mahilig talaga sila sa mga street na cobblestones. Yung mga sasakyan sila yung ano dito kawawa yung gulong nila. Yun lang kami walking. May hindi nagtapon ng nag-ayos ng lagyan ng basura nasa gitna ng daan. Yung water closet ang pinakasikat at laging pinipilahan. Michael's Tower. Ayan. Okay, bumili tayo ng pastry dito sa Bratislava, Slovakia. Titikman natin. First is yung rosky. Ang laman niya nuts. First yung tart. Last yung tarts. Next, yung lineke. Lineke. May star siya, raspberry flavor. Parang siyang cookies. Well, malapit na tayo sa Blue Church. Kikita niyo na ba siya? Ayan siya. One of the things you should not miss here in Bratislava.